All right, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Friday, released some new songs recently. This first one is called Taboo, The Ride. So new songs from Fridayy. I'm not complaining at all. Let's go into this one. Setup, capo on 6 if you want to match up with the sound. Follow these chords and you will have a happy life. We have 6 chords to go through. So let's start with C first. C goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have the E minor 7. All strings are open except from that 2nd fret A string. You incorporate all strings like this. Next chord will be the F, which is a bar. So you place that bar index finger on the 1st fret, and then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. A minor next. Open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. G, 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Finally, we have the D minor, and that goes open open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. All right, so there we have it. Now we have to play this chord that goes in the same way through the entire song, 2 halves, so to speak. The challenge here is not all the chords and how they come, because you want to learn that. They're pretty simple. The challenge here could be the strumming and the timing of it. And we have actually a 3-part strumming here. So I'm going to go through that and try to explain it as technically as I can, but also as easy as possible. So if you grab the first chord C, we're going to learn all these 3 parts with 1 chord, that's C. So hold it, and we're going to play like this for 1 full round. That means all 3 parts are combined here. It sounds like this. All right. Okay, so don't be afraid or run away. Let's stay with us now and play part 1, which will be down, down, up, clap, down, up. So down, down, up, clap, down, up. Down, down, up, clap, down, up. That's part 1. Part 2 is exactly the same without that final down up. So you stop after the clap. It's down, down, up, clap. So far you learned part 1 and part 2. It's down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, down, up, clap. And the reason for us having these different parts, I want to mention that, is because we're going to switch chords pretty much at every new part, okay? Except for one exception there. But anyway, that's the reason of it. And then we have the final part 3 strumming, and that is twice as long as the other ones. So it goes like this. Okay, so it's first 1 down, then comes down, up, clap, down, up. So this down follows with a pause that is longer than the pauses we played before. So it's down, down, up, clap, down, up. Like down, down, up, clap, down, up. That's the first part, the first half of this part 3. And then comes down, down, up, clap, down, up. In the same way as you played part 1. So part 1 comes just after that we just learned. So down, down, clap, down, up. So the part 3 was down with a long pause, and then down, up, clap, down, up, and then down, down, up, clap, down, up. In the same way as you played part 1. So if you combine all these 3 parts, I'm going to take down the tempo for you so you really understand what's going on. Let's go. Okay, and in tempo. Okay, so once you got this, it's pretty easy actually. So we're gonna start with the first half of the chord progression. You're gonna play C, part 1, the down, down, up, clap, down, up. Then the E minor, part 2, down, down, up, clap. And then comes F, part 3. The down, down, clap, down, up, down, down, clap, down, up. And then you're going to play E minor, part 1 and part 2. This is the exception here where you don't switch chord after each and every part. You're going to play E minor, part 1 and part 2. And then you're going to play F, part 3. That is the first half of the chord progression. So C part 1, E minor part 2, F part 3. E minor part 1 and 2, F part 3. Like this. Okay. Next half goes A minor part 1, G part 2, F part 3. And then D minor part 1, E minor part 2, and F part 3. Let's play it together. A minor, G, F, D minor, E minor, F. There you have finished one round. One round after one round after one round, it's played in the same way. Let me play one full round for you, both halves of this corporations, and let's go. Back to C, another round, and there you have it, guys. Taboo the Ride from Fridayy. Hope you enjoyed that. I think we'll have one more song from his latest releases, so stay tuned if you love Fridayy. Hope to see you soon, guys. Play tuned.